What is dy by dx? It is a differentiation of function y with respect to variable x, and dx by dy is differentiation of function x with respect to y. If x is a function of y, then only we can differentiate with respect to y, otherwise the derivative will be 0. And in dy by dx, if y is a function of x, then only we can differentiate y with respect to x, otherwise the derivative is 0. Because if y is not a function of x, and if we are differentiating y with respect to x, then the y function will be considered as a constant function, and then the derivative will be 0. Now, in general, how we can write the derivative of y with respect to x? See, we have seen dy by dx is limit. Now, now we can consider delta x is a small increment in x, and delta y will be the corresponding, what we can say, delta y will be the increment in y. Now, dy by dx, we can define y. We can write this dy by dx as limit as delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x. Getting? Because derivative means small change in y with respect to x. So this we can write limit as delta x tends to 0, 1 upon delta x by delta y. We can write this, and we have seen the algebra of limits. Limit will go to the denominator. So what it will be? 1 upon limit as delta x tends to 0, delta x by delta y. And this is, what is this? This is dx by dy, because we have seen dy by dx is limit as delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x. So this we can write 1 upon dx by dy. Getting, student? So here we have now, means this we can write dy by dx into dx by dy equals to 1. See, student, this we cannot cancel. Dy by dx is a small increment, small change in y with respect to x, and dx by dy is small change in x with respect to y. So here we cannot cancel this, otherwise you will think that dx will get cancelled, and dy will get cancelled. Okay, it is not like that. So this is the relation between not difference, relation between dy by dx and dx by dy. Okay, now we'll see the implicit function. Now, student, tell me what is the difference between implicit function and explicit function. I have explained this in 11th standard. What is the difference between implicit and explicit function? Yes? Utkarsh, Ajinkya? Utkarsh? Ajinkya? Are you there? Navneet? What is the difference between explicit and implicit function?
Dependent variable and independent variable.
कशामध्ये
Implicit मध्ये dependent असतो variable आणि explicit मध्ये independent असतो variable.
हे कसं कळेल आपल्याला?
फंक्शनच्या डेफिनेशन मधून.
हो ना, पण मग मला असं एक्झॅक्टली सांग, इम्प्लिसिट म्हणजे काय? आता डिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल वगैरे तू सांगत आहे मला, आता मी ते एक्झाम्पल लिहिल्यावर मग लक्षात येईल तुमच्या. पण एक्झॅक्टली इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन आणि एक्सप्लिसिट फंक्शन म्हणजे नेमकं काय ते सांग. त्यांच्या दोघांमधला एक डिफरन्स आहे बघ, तो काय आहे ते सांग. if we can write one variable as a function of another variable, means if we can write y equals to f of x, for example y equals to x square plus x plus 1, means in terms of x we can write y, that time the function is explicit. Getting? Yes or no? If we can express function of x equals to y, yes. Is it visible? Board is visible to all? Yes,
Yes,
boy?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is explicit function? If we can write one variable equals to function of another variable. Now, here, the variable which we are using, for which we are giving the expression of another variable, that time the variable will be dependent variable. Getting? Yes, Ajinkya? Now, here y is dependent variable, which depends on x. Yes, Ajinkya? Y is dependent variable which depends on x. Now this is y, this y is equals to f of x. This we can write because of here y is explicit function. Explicit function. Y is explicit function. Now if we cannot express a function in terms of one variable, means for example if you second, if y equals to x square plus sine of xy, if your function is x square plus sine of xy, now here angle of sine function is x into y. Okay, so here we cannot write y as a function of x. Here we cannot write y as a function of x. In this case, your function is implicit function. Implicit function. Getting? Are you getting the difference between implicit and explicit function?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is Ajinkya?
Here, ma'am.
Okay. Now in an implicit function, we cannot treat y as a dependent variable. Okay. And in explicit function, y is dependent variable. Same only you were telling, no? Yes, Ajinkya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Suraj, are you getting Suraj?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shiva? Shiva?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Getting this? Difference you are getting this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll see the differentiation of implicit function. Means we have taken so many examples. In that we have seen the examples of explicit function only. Okay, so now we'll see the differentiation of implicit function. So we will take one question. If ax square plus 2hxy, if ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Which equation it is? Which equation? Equation of
Pair of straight lines. Pair of straight lines.
Pair of straight lines.
Pair of straight lines.
straight lines.
Pair of straight lines. Pair PAIR
Yes, yes,
of
yes,
straight
yes.
lines.
Got it, got it. Yes, Akshay. Akshay, are you there, Akshay? So, if this equation equal to 0, then we have to find dy by dx and dx. If then find dy by dx and x by dy. Means we have to differentiate y with respect to x and we have to differentiate x with respect to y. Now, first, now here we will not write y equals to f of x because it is given that the function is what we can say. Here we cannot write this y. Can we write? Here we cannot write y as a function of x. So here y will not be equal to f of x. So directly we'll take the equation and we'll differentiate with respect to x. So it will be 2ax. Differentiation of ax square is 2 twice of x will be there. So 2ax plus differentiation of 2hxy. What is the differentiation of 2hxy with respect to x? What is the differentiation? What is it with respect to x? Yes, boys. Shiva, Suraj,
2y.
Keith. Huh? Visible, no?
2y.
1 1.
Only 2y. And what about h? What about h?
Constant.
It will be constant, but h will come.
2hy.
0 is na.
2hy.
2hy dy
H
by dx.
constant में 0 is na.
What you are telling?
Ma'am,
2hy.
2hy dy by dx.
Why dy by dx?
With respect to x तो कर रहे हैं dy by dx का.
Yes, what we have 2 into h will be the constant and x into y. We have to differentiate x into y. Then with respect to x, differentiation of x will be 1. In that case, y will keep constant plus x will keep constant in the next term and dy by dx will be. Right? So we have to h in that y plus x into dx. Getting plus by square. By square. What is differentiation of y square? By square. Abhijit Thakkar,
Yes, ma'am.
what is differentiation of by square?
Ma'am, 2by.
2by into.
dy by dx.
Yes, because here we have to differentiate y with respect to x. Okay, so it will be 2by into dy by dx. Differentiation of 2g only plus differentiation of 2fy will be 2f into dy by dx. Differentiation of constant will be 0 and equal to 0. Differentiation of 0 will be 0 only. Now we have to find dy by dx. So where dy by dx is there? 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now in all terms 2 is there. So we can cancel it from both the sides. So what it will be? Ax plus hy plus hx into dy by dx plus by dy by dx plus g, only g will be there, plus dy by dx equal to 0. Only because it is a one term, so it will be hx plus by plus f into dy by dx and the remaining terms will be minus ax minus of ax plus hy plus g. So what we have, this bracket into dy by dx equals to minus of this bracket. So we have now dy by dx. We can write dy by dx is minus of ax plus hy plus g divided by x plus dy hx plus dy plus f. Getting? Any doubt in this? Any doubt? Any doubt? So here we have now we have differentiated the given equation with respect to x. Now we'll differentiate the given equation with respect to y. Okay. So any doubt in this? Any doubt? Any doubt, boys?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So we'll
टरबूज
differentiate now.
लवकर उगलं पाहिजे.
What happened, Ajinkya? What happened? Any doubt is there?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Okay. So now with respect to y, what is the differentiation? Ax square. What is differentiation of ax square with respect to y?
X into dx by dy.
2ax, na? 2ax you have told, no? 2ax
Yes, ma'am.
into dx by dy. Yes, very good. 2ax into dx by dy plus 2h into dy of x into y. What is the differentiation then? For by square, it will be 2by only. For by square, it will be 2by only. Any doubt in this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because we are differentiating with respect to y, so no need to differentiate y with respect to y. So dy by dy, it will clearly 1. So we will not write that. So 2by plus differentiation of 2gx will be 2g into dx by dy. 2g into dx by dy. Then differentiation of 2fy. What it will be? 2f only differentiation of y will be 1 with respect to y, and differentiation of the constant will be 0. Okay. So here also we can cancel 2. So we have ax dx by dy. Now here what is the differentiation? Plus h into what will be there? What will be there? Yes, boys? X into y with respect to y, what it will be? Yes, boys, tell me. Am I audible, visible? Navneet, are you there? Yes, Navneet, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the differentiation of x into y with respect to y?
Ma'am, y plus dy by dx.
No? चलो अक्षय आपटे अक्षय 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 आपटे सूरज शिवा सूरज yes Shiva, what is the differentiation of x into y?
dx by
X
dy.
dy by dx into y.
dy by dx into y. How it will come? आई थिंक आप म्यूट थे, फिर आपने बताया आधा आंसर. फिर से बोलो. x into y difference in this way. Yes. dy by dx is not there.
Hello.
हाँ हाँ बोलो बोलो. यस बेटा बोलो ना, आवाज आ रही है आपकी मुझे.
Hello.
हाँ हाँ बोलो.
Hello.
शिवा यू आर ऑडिबल.
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस यस यू आर ऑडिबल बेटा.
Ma'am, I'm not able to.
Okay, okay. So differentiation of x into y will be, we'll keep x constant, differentiation of y will be 1, and then we'll keep y constant, differentiation of x will be dx by dy. So it will be x plus h into y dx by dy. Getting? Any doubt in this? Any doubt? Any doubt in this? If you are not replying, at least you can give the, you can show your thumb. I am here asking.
No doubt, ma'am. No doubt.
Okay, so
Not understood.
Visuals are not clear.
Farat ma'am,
Hello.
Farat ma'am. Farat ma'am, am I audible?
Ma'am, ये वाला step repeat करो ना please.
Yes, beta.
Yogita ma'am,
Yes,
Yogita ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
the clearance is not there, ma'am.
Okay, okay,
Audio is working, but we cannot understand the things.
okay, okay. Now, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Now it is good. Okay. You
Okay.
explain him once again. He's asking to explain again.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
For first, second step, no doubt. Shiva.
Ma'am, एक बार repeat करो ना please.
ठीक है. This was the equation. ax square plus
Yes, ma'am.
2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. We are differentiating with respect to y, not with respect to x. So our variable is y now. So we'll take x as a function of y. Here we'll consider x is a function of y. So in the first step, first term ax square. So here its derivative will be twice ax. Now we are considering x is a function of y. So it will be dx by dy. Getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next. 2h.
Ma'am,
Huh? 2
ma'am, could you please explain this topic from start, ma'am? I joined just now. Ma'am, my link was not working.
Okay, okay.
I sent WhatsApp message to Faratma also.
See, Utkarsh, I have given the difference between implicit function and explicit function. Okay. And after that, I have started with this differentiation of implicit function. And this is the first example. Utkarsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Utkarsh. This is the first example.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here, in implicit function, we cannot express the function with respect to only one variable. Getting? Means in general, our function y, we can write f of x, y equals to f of x, we can write. But that functions are explicit function. In implicit function, we cannot write y as a function of x. For example, we can express the sign of 2xy. Getting? Here, in the angle of sine function, product of both the variables is there. Okay, so here we cannot represent the y as a function of x. So such functions are called as implicit function. And now we are I have taken the example here. I am differentiating this implicit function. Getting? Yes, Utkarsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the first example.
Like you differentiated with respect to y.
That only I am doing now. With respect to x, I have differentiated before this. Now with respect to y, I am differentiating.
Ma'am, means like you differentiated.
Yes, Utkarsh? Parat ma'am, I am not getting what he is saying. Pramila
Yes,
ma'am?
ma'am.
Ma'am, I am
Yes,
not
ma'am.
getting what he is saying. Am I
He
audible?
is
Visible?
asking, you have differentiated x, now you will differentiate y or what?
Differentiated with y now. With y only.
That was his
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now
He was not good.
okay. Because I was not getting what he was saying.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Absolutely.
Now we are differentiating this equation with respect to y. Okay, so here 2ax with and dx by dy will be there, because with respect to y its differentiation will be dx by dy plus 2h as it is, then differentiation of x into y with respect to y plus, now here by square is there. With respect to y, its derivative will be twice by clearly. Getting this? Shiva, Utkarsh?
Yes, I'm getting.
So
Yes, ma'am.
twice
Yes.
of by it will be, now twice of gx. Its differentiation will be 2g constant. Now when we were differentiating with respect to x, the derivative was 1. But now with respect to y we are differentiating, the derivative will be dx by dy. Getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And now here 2 twice of f into y. So its differentiation of y will be 1 into 2f equal to 0. Okay. So in the next step, what we'll do? We'll find the differentiation of x into y. So here I will write now differentiation of dy of x into y. Generally, what we are doing when we are finding the derivative of the product, we are keeping one function constant and we are finding the derivative of another function. Now, if we'll keep x constant, what is the derivative of y? With respect to y, what is the derivative? What is the derivative?
1.
1. Okay, so here 1 will be there because dy by dy plus. Now we'll keep y constant. What is the derivative of x with respect to y?
Dx by dy.
Dx by dy, exactly. Dx by dy. Now same we have taken here. H was there, twice h was there. So in each term 2 was there. So we have cancelled it. So h will be there. H into x plus h into y dx by dy. ठीक है? कोई प्रॉब्लम यहाँ तक? शिवा, उत्कर्ष?
No, ma'am.
ओके. प्लस अभी ये हमने यहाँ पे लिखा. Now plus dy plus gx dx by plus g dx by dy plus f equal to 0. Now the question was this equation was given, and by using this equation we have to find dy by dx and dx by dy. Getting? So in the previous part of this question we found the dy by dx. Now we'll collect the all terms of dx by dy. So we have dx by dy in bracket ax plus hy plus g and remaining all terms will send to that side. So it will be minus of hx plus dy plus f, bracket complete. Now here dx by dy will be what? Negative of this bracket upon this ax plus hy plus g. So what it will be? Dx by dy is minus of hx plus by plus f whole thing divided by ax plus hy plus g. Okay? Any doubt in this? Any doubt? This example was very simple. Only x raised to n formula we have used here. But the important point was how to differentiate with respect to the another variable, means which is other than x, because we are habituated with the variable x only. So when we are differentiating with a variable y, so please carefully you have to differentiate. Get it? Any doubt in this question? Any doubt? Now one more
No, ma'am.
question.
Clear.
One more question I will take. X square plus 2xy plus y square. Second question. X square plus 2xy plus y square. And we have to differentiate. Sorry. X square plus 2xy plus y cube. X square plus 2xy plus y cube equals to 42. And we have to find dy by dx. So, what is the derivative? What is the derivative? What is the derivative? Yes? Girish? Are you there, Girish? Girish Manenu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the derivative, beta? Tell me this. X square plus 2xy plus y cube. It is very simple.
Twice x.
Twice x, yes. Plus. Plus. Yes, Abhijit. Abhijit Chattar. Abhijit.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the derivative of 2xy with respect to x? We are differentiating the given equation with respect to x. So what is the derivative of 2xy?
2 dy by dx. नहीं, dy by dx फक्त.
2 into dy by dx.
Or what about x?
x कॉमन निघाला त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढला ना 1 येऊन जाईल ना.
मग ते काढावं लागेल ना आपल्याला. 2 in bracket. We keep now we'll find the derivative of x. It will be 1. So y will be constant. Plus now x will be constant. Derivative of y will be dy by dx. बरोबर का? ठीक आहे?
नाही समजलं.
अरे x into y चा आता तर बघितलं आपण. Derivative of x into y. Ajinkya, one function will be constant. Here we'll keep y constant plus here we'll keep x constant. Derivative of x in the first term. What is the derivative, Ajinkya? X चा derivative सांग अजिंक्य पटकन.
1.
1 येईल.
x constant है. Derivative of y. What is derivative of y?
dy by dx.
dy by dx. मला मी काय वेगळं सांगितलं का इथे? dy by dx. कळालं का? हे बघा. x into y. Here we have y constant. Derivative of x will be 1 plus x constant. Derivative of y will be dy by dx. कळालं का अजिंक्य?
Yes, ma'am.
हा, आणि याच्या अगोदरचा जो क्वेश्चन होता ना त्याच्यामध्ये आपण काय केलं होतं, x into y we have differentiated with respect to y. Now we are differentiating with respect to x. Okay? Now you can differentiate with respect to both the variables through the product. Yes, okay. So here, now what is the derivative of y cube? Suraj, what is the derivative of y cube? Suraj is there?
3y square into dy by dx.
Yes, very good. 3y square by using x raised to n form into derivative of y with respect to x. Derivative of 42, it will be 0.
0.
Yes. So what we have now? 2x plus 2y plus 2x dy by dx plus 3y square dy by dx. We have to find dy by dx. So we collect these all terms. So we have dy by dx in bracket. Now here we cannot cancel this 2. Here 3 is there. So 2x plus 3y square, and we'll shift this. So minus 2 in bracket x plus y. Now what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is minus 2 in bracket x plus y upon 2x plus 3y square. Getting? So what we have? Dy by dx is minus of 2 in bracket x plus y whole thing divided by 2x plus 3y square bracket complete. Any doubt in this question?
No.
For explaining the differentiation with respect to y only, I have taken the simple questions. Okay. When you will solve this question, then only you can solve trigonometric question. Okay. Any doubt in this? All I'm asking. I think you have Girish, Akshay, Abhijit,
No, ma'am.
Navneet, Suraj,
No
Utkal.
doubt, ma'am.
Okay. So now we'll
No
stop
doubt,
here.
ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.